Hi guys, before I should start to make a video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Niel Josol from BSBA Financial Management Section 1D. So for today's video, I would like to arrange this Rubik's Cube with their respective colors. So the first step that I should do is to make a white cross. Number 1. Finding the white color that is lined up with the center white color comes after facing the center white color. Number 2. After creating the white cross, check to see that the center of each white side has the same color as the first layer. Number 3. Then, in order to fix the first layer from each side of the surface, you must place all of the white color in the corner, making sure that each side of the corner of all white is the same color. Number 4. After getting the same color on each side of the surface first layer, turning the white surface from top to bottom. Number 5. The next step is to complete the second layer and confirm that they are all the same color. Number 6. This is all you have to do to get the second layer. Look for a color that is similar to the central colors. Number 7. You must shift the color away from the color that is next to the surface that you are facing after finding a color that is the same as the center colors and looking at it from the top where it is in line with the color. You can move it either to the left or to the right. Number 8. Then, if you transfer it from a right to a left surface, you must perform the right hand algorithm. If you move it from a left to a right surface, you must perform the left hand algorithm. Number 9. And keep doing it until you've completed every side surface in all of the second layer's colors. Number 10. Once the color layer is finished, then you must complete the top yellow cross. Number 11. After creating of a yellow cross at the top, you must identify the oriented and disoriented corners of the layer above. Number 12. You should perform 3 algorithms, then switch to the right side surface of the Rubik's Cube and perform the left hand algorithm to ensure that all corners are oriented from the upper layers. Number 13. Then, once all the corner of the top layers are oriented, then turn the white surface to the top. Number 14. After that, each surface below layer should be fixed and all of the yellow in the corner should be on the bottom. To do this, use the right hand algorithm. Number 15. After placing every yellow corner at the bottom, you must turn the surface on which the colors are arranged from first layer to third layer, except from the yellow and white surfaces, and ensure that the yellow surface is on the top. Number 16. After that, you must perform one right hand algorithm and one left hand algorithm, followed by 5 more right algorithm and 5 left hand algorithm. So now I arranged the Rubik's Cube with their respective colors. So that's it guys, it's so simple. So thank you for watching.